Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Well, Chinese New Year is just around the corner, so today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese peanut cookies. These peanut cookies is a traditional and classic Chinese New Year recipe that we use every year when we celebrate Chinese New Year. These peanut cookies is delicious, easy to make, and it just melt in your mouth. You just can't resist eating them once you started. So we have here in front of us 500 grams of blanched peanuts that's been roasted, 330 grams of custard sugar, 415 grams of all-purpose flour, 415 ml of cooking oil. I'm using rice bran oil today, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 beaten eggs for glazing the cookies on top. So let's get started. So firstly, make sure you roast your peanuts. If you haven't do so, the instruction and written recipe is just below the video. So just bake it in oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes and just stir them constantly until it's like golden brown. So next, in a food processor, we're just going to grind up peanuts. So just put it in. And now you see that it's all finely grinded. So now the peanuts is all grind and ready. We're going to leave it aside. Next, make sure you line your baking tray and preheat the oven to 200 degrees fan bake. Next, we're going to put in the flour, sugar and the salt and whisk it. Then next, we're going to add in all the grinded peanuts. So using our fingertips, we're just going to make sure everything is mixed well. Some of the peanuts is still in a bowl. Just going to crumble it all up. So now we are going to add in the oil bit by bit until it's all mixed in. So don't do it all, just do it bit by bit until the dough comes together, until you can bind it. I'm just going to knead this for about 5 minutes. So that the sugar is all melted and all mixed in. And you can just take a bowl, and if you can make into a ball without it crumble, there you go. So it's ready. So we haven't actually used up all the oil. So now we are ready to put into the baking tray. Just making a bowl. Take a bowl, don't want too big, just a round bowl. Make sure that when you roll it, it's not crumbling. And just put from there. So we're just going to carry on doing that until it's all finished. And then you can actually use the tip of a pen or use the piping tip. Just push it down a bit so you make a little circle, not right through. There you go. And there's our peanut cookie. So we're just going to carry on doing that until it's all finished. Make sure you now preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. So now before we bake in the oven, make sure you preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius fan bake, and we're just going to glaze the top of the cookies with some egg wash. Going to carry on doing that until it's all finished. So now the peanut cookies is been glazed with egg wash. So it's now ready to be baked in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Pan bake for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's like golden brown. So now the peanut cookies is all ready. See, it's like golden brown, and we're just going to let it cool down before we transfer to an airtight container. So here is our Chinese New Year peanut cookies. It's all cool now. We can arrange on a plate and serve, or else store them in airtight container and it will keep for a number of weeks. I hope you enjoyed today's baking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time, and Happy Chinese New Year! 恭喜发财!